My 3 best colon cleanse tea recipes. Hi, I'm Sam and I really know the feeling of a bad digestion due to a sluggish colon which results in low energy, headaches and an overall uncomfortable feeling in the body. And like most of you, most of the stuff about colon cleanse I've tried didn't really work well for me. But it wasn't until I tried the following 3 colon cleanse tea recipes and turned them into habits that I started seeing fast improvements with my colon health. Are you ready for them? Here we go. Recipe number 1. Ginger tea. One of the best and most effective ingredients for colon cleanse is ginger. Being a tea lover, I was really excited to know that even tea recipes can help you in colon cleansing. If you love tea, then you will surely love this recipe of the herbal tea that can help you fight against constipation. Besides being tasty, the ginger tea can be really beneficial for your health. It stimulates the process of digestion and absorption. Thus, it also provides complete relief from constipation and also increases the activity of muscles in your digestive tract. Even by cleansing the colon, it can effectively increase the absorption of various essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals in your body. So whenever you are having tea, grate some ginger into it. You can also even boil the water with a sliced ginger in it and let it sit for a few minutes along with the tea leaves. You must have this tea twice a day for proper colon cleansing. Recipe number 2. Lemon and black pepper tea. This is another great flavored herbal tea which will help you in colon cleanse process. One of the most effective ways to detox the digestive tract and colon is by having the lemon and black pepper tea twice every day. The recipe is very easy and also very healthy. Cut a lemon into half and squeeze it into boiling water along with a pinch of black pepper into it. Let it sit for some time with a small amount of tea leaves in it. After 5 to 7 minutes you can drink the lemon and black pepper tea. The lemon breaks down the trapped toxins in the digestive tract or colon so that it can be flushed out from your system easily. Lemon is considered as one of the most effective solutions for cleansing. It's full of antioxidant properties because of the high quantity vitamin C in it. So it can travel easily through your body and destroy all the toxins and free radicals that can cause damage to your colon. Also, black pepper works as an excellent colon cleansing agent. Recipe number 3. Peppermint tea. I love having peppermint tea because of its fresh and pleasing taste. But when I came to know that this tea also serves as a great colon cleanse agent, I was even more thrilled to drink peppermint tea every day. Peppermint is one of the most useful herbs which is used for many medicinal purposes. Even the oil extracted from it can be really helpful for stomach problems and other health issues. To prepare the peppermint tea, you will need 2 to 3 leaves of peppermint. Let it sit in the water on medium heat. When the water comes to boil, turn off the heat and pour some tea leaves of your choice. You can also use ginger here for better results. Drink this wonderful tea recipe twice a day. Peppermint is quite popular for its laxative effects and antioxidant properties. It can easily aid the digestive system and stimulate bowel movement. So it not only clears the toxins from the digestive tract but also removes the excess air from the colon. There you have it. Work all 3 of those into your daily routine and within a week or 2 you will notice significant changes in your colon health. But usually something more powerful is required to colon cleanse faster and without preparation of special meals and drinks during your busy day. Luckily, there are some other all-natural but high-powered home treatments out there that can improve your colon health fast and easy. To learn more about a powerful colon cleanse treatment called Bowel Colon Control that works fast and super easy from home, just go to coloncleansehelper.com/easy or click on the link in the video description below. By the way, this is just a testimonial from Amber, who is regularly using Bowel Colon Control. Just have a quick look what she has to say about her results.
My bowels were so unpredictable. I started fearing just going outside my front door, which is a little constraining. But with colon control, my bowels have been completely normalized.
So, as you can see, Bowel Colon Control works great for Amber and many other people. So again, you can get Bowel Colon Control in the link below or go to coloncleansehelper.com/easy. My name is Sam and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can find any video I release whenever I release them. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to help. I see you in the next video.